Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove saved posts in Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. In my previous video, I've shown you how to see saved posts on Instagram, and now I will show you how to remove saved posts from Instagram. First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram app, and now you can tap on your profile, tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here, tap on saved, tap on all posts. Here's all the posts that you've liked on Instagram. That you've saved on Instagram. And if you want to remove some posts from this list, this feature, this list of saved posts or bookmarked posts, you can choose some posts. You can tap on the post that you want to remove. As example, I will remove this. You can see there is an option icon, bookmark icon right here on the bottom right of the post. You can tap on that, tap on the bookmark. Now we go back and you can see the post has been removed from this list. Or you can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on select. Now you can choose post that you want to remove. I will choose this post and this and this. Now you can tap on unsave. Unsaving photos, unsaving posts will also remove them from any collection. Now you can unsave. You can see there's no more the posts in this feature, in this list. So that is how to remove saved posts on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!